Come hear the one wey dey happen now. As e be like this now, central bank don come outside come tell the Nigerians that are praying every day, Osheri mama mama, Osheri baba baba. They say that that your prayer, God don answer o. As e be like this now, you have to wait 10 to 15 years before Nigeria economy. See that rice wey you dey buy 110,000. If you get money now, go buy am 20 bag. If you no fit spoil you, keep am, because very soon you go buy that rice, one bag of rice for 1 million naira. 10 to 15 years, no be small journey, Now Nigeria fit take balance more. So for those of you wey dey hope say things go good today tomorrow, come see am now. The people wey get your power, or the people wey dey control you, don finally come outside come talk am. Now I'm going to play the video for watch. No forget say still there for blabber gist. As you dey watch, make sure say you dey share this video. May we jump enter inside Benin now, go tell you wetin dey happen. Nwoko don come outside for this X space this thing meet Zoom wey they do. Come tell us say that the Oba of Benin are very angry. The man acknowledge that there is the Igbo community in Benin, and that is where the oil are located. That if the Aleoma people come out with those Igbos, that means say Benin hunger wey go dey for Benin go too much. Say the government of Benin no go fit work well, as in they comot their name for the list of oil producing state for inside Benin. Things are happening. Remember saying that because of oil, now they carve some people from Imo State enter River State. So now e got another thing where they happen for inside Owerri now, so they talk a bag on it again. Okay, let us take it one after the other. Let me play this video for you to hear wetin the central bank talk, and before we come back, continue.
Okay. But implementing such a far-reaching reform is impossible without solid political commitment from the top. The price of PMS has quintupled since the subsidy cuts, imposing terrible hardship across the breadth of Nigerian society. The central bank has had to hike its policy rate by a huge 850 basis points, that's almost 9 percentage points, in the last 9 months, to boost confidence in the naira and anchor inflationary expectations. But the central bank financing of fiscal deficits has finally ended, and Governor Cardoso has been putting Nigeria, or be helping to put Nigeria, on the right course, on the correct course. But this is only the beginning. Nigeria will need to stay the course for at least another 10 to 15 years to transform its economy So I don't know if you're agreeing with me or if you're disagreeing with me. If it does that, it will transform its economy, and it will become an engine of growth in sub-Saharan Africa, and it will help to transform sub-Saharan Africa. It's very difficult to do these things, but the rewards are massive. So this is the lesson from the last 40 years, as well as the experience of countries such as India, such as Poland, such as Korea, such as Norway.
This was made known by World Bank Vice President. Chai, you don't see, 10 to 15 years. This man just give us a clue, but we don't understand. This man just tell us something that, as it stands right now, there is no solution on Nigeria economy. 10 to 15 good years. But it's just giving the Nigerians the light to see. But you see, this particular news, Nigerians are not going to take it serious. But post something about Davido and Wizkid, Burna Boy, you will see them coming out to write. You understand? So I think that Buhari did not make a mistake of calling Nigerians the lazy youth. Yes, now I understand. Because some political issues, some critical things that they're bringing out in this country, the policies they are bringing in this country, The Nigerian youth are not reacting, and these people get the guts to do more. That is why Tinubu are dealing with the Nigerians now, because the youth are sleeping, deeply sleeping. And then when the people of Southeast come outside and say, we are Biafra, we don't believe in this again, want to stay on their own, this same sleeping youth will come outside to insult them, to insult Nnamdi Kanu, to say Biafra, they are doing this one, they are doing this one. Why your destiny, your hope, your future of your children are not guaranteed. So who is finished then? It is you. You with your useless mentality. So this is, you have seen it. Before your economy will revive again, will take you 10 to 15 years with no guarantee. It's finished. Let me bring this video up for you to hear what Nwoko talk for this video concerning the Oba of Benin and the agenda of the Benin people.
Want to belong to Anyoma. They are not comfortable where they are. They feel that they are not Edos. And by the way, I discussed this with the outgoing governor of Edo State about the need for those people to, will he object to those people being part of Anyoma State? He told me yes, and he will object because some of those communities are in very strategic locations where there are oil and gas. And Edo State doesn't have too much of oil and gas like Delta. And they feel that if they should allow some of these communities in the Banki and others to come to Anyoma, that they will have they won't have much resources. But we know that most of those communities are Igbos. They say it, they speak Igbo, they are Ika Igbos, if you know what I mean. They want to be part of the new Anyoma state. But the current drive is limited to the 9 local government areas. Just as I told you, there are still drive from people from across the Niger, from Onitsha, from Obaru, from Uguta, and Doni, that they want to belong to Anyoma. But as you said, you know, state transcends beyond religion and tribe and culture. You know, so wherever we find ourselves, we have to make a home out of it. Maybe in the future, we can bring those in Banki and Co towards Anyoma, but let's create an Anyoma state first. Then maybe in the future, we can go for some boundary adjustments. It is done. It is possible to get this done through boundary adjustments. And so I'm hoping that we can achieve that.
Yes. Thank you so much, Saned Nwoko, for this explanation. And this thing is a question that I want to put this question out to those, you see, you hear it right now. Those agree that the people of Ibanke are Igbos, but these people of Ibanke, when you meet some of them in diaspora, they will tell you that they are not Igbos, they are from Edo State, or they not have anything to do with Igbos. You see, maybe the elders that know their story have confronted Nwoko and say, please, oh, we want to belong here, this is where we belong. Tell me person from that place now that is ruling in Edo State. No, you can't find that. So, my people, stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. You that is your name is Chukwuemeka, Chinmezie, Chukwu, Dalu, Chidimma, Chief, Chike, Chinke. And you are not Osapolo, Osaigbe, Osauene, Onwa. You are not, and you are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. We know where you belong, and you are deceiving yourself. You see, now, Anyoma have to go first. It's you people that will raise alarm and say, no, we are going with Anyoma, so we'll be with Anyoma State. It is you people who will raise alarm. Nwoko have said it, but it is left for the people over there to say, no, we are not from Edo. Edo cannot decide your future. So, na so it be. Now, say, I bring a conscious now. Let us run now, go jump, enter inside Imo State and go find out what thing they happen for that place. They say, our brother, where they call no Sonkwa. Don't come outside, come tell us, say, as it be like this now, say that the people where they call Ebobago. He say, these people, they do pampao for inside Imo State. As they don't go enter one village, scatter everywhere, everybody on the run, and they don't carry 1, 2, 3 person comot. Nosonkwa don call outside the message, make they leave these people wey dey carry for that community. Let me play the video, make you watch before we come back and continue.
Adema, let us always raise alarm. Whenever somebody's life is in danger, we must raise alarm. Whenever somebody's right is being violated, we must raise alarm. Whether me ekwensu or chorea or chohia, whether my government or chorea or chohia, we don't care. Just this evening, this afternoon, Ebubago, our Amago community, Amago no Oru East State Imo, Ebubago, our Buddha community, shooting sporadically on the air. Ebe to tell them madu na Amago there. As I'm talking to you now, most of them no anymore here. As I'm talking to you now, most of them Amago no anymore here. As I'm talking to you. Now, look at the 3 men, Ebubago Kurula. Look at them. Look at the 3 men, Ebubago Kurula. Our teaching state, Imo, you know, they have been denying. They want to hear the Ebubago Imo. They have been denying they want the Ebubago Nolo. But to chukwa kikabia mabapara makebe, ndimo bakwaro makebe, that Ebubago is existing in Olo. And Ebubago is existing in recklessness. Ebubago is existing in illegality as far as the law of the land is concerned. But yet, Imo government is using Ebubago in Olo. These 3 people, Ebubago Kurula, Anyamanana Nunu Jiha, Uwanina Manana Nunu Jimada Tonda, Iha Ula Mereha, government of Imo State, Aga Alabrunime, Iha Ula Mere, these 3 people, Imo State government must answer for it. Can you post here now? We are posting it to the website of international communities and United Nations Organization and International Human Rights Organization. So, Iha Ula Mere Ndia, Ebubago, Imo government, Unuga no there. We keep saying these things, and well, you know, when we talk, they say we are opposition, we are being sponsored by this. You cannot sponsor truth. Truth is truth. You know, Ezioku Kwato Kapenso. Ezioku Kwato Kapenso. You cannot say somebody is sponsoring truth. You cannot sponsor truth. What we are saying here is the truth. Ebubago should release these men immediately. Ebubago Jinda should release them immediately. I'm a huno. Ebubago be I'm a picture uno. When you display with your pictures, all the people who Ebubago, we have your pictures, all of you. So if you enough is enough. You are done, John. No, 7 months, 1 year. You know, that era is gone. Now, we must get your details. And you must be held responsible. So, these men, release them immediately. Mune release you, huh? Hey. This government, you know now, very soon, yala. This government that is existing now, gonna Apple, you will expire with this government. It is a promise. Ebubago will expire with this present government of APC. They will expire with this government. So, this governor not get protected. Now no we yourself gazo we aso. Me afọ protect. Now no we at the end of his tenure. O gazo we aso. Me afọ protect wage because that time no more immunity. No more immunity. So go and when ordinary human being. Give them susuare. Release them no matter turn there now. Release them now as in now. Uneme here. No problem. Kaina ganubi. Kajinaka. Chukwu okike abiama. Buronya aka.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video and see as you take they go for that area, this one now waiting the happen for Imo State to hope Uzodinma. We are calling on the governor of Imo State to put an end to all this police and security harassment in Imo State. The people that come to your state to invest are afraid. They are going away. How do you raise tax? How do you raise all those things? Do you have another agenda for your own state, for your own people? Why are the police and the Bubagu harassing the innocent people? The people they are looking for, they know where they are. So I don't know if a brother and brother have an issue, a family problem, the police will interfere, Bubagu will interfere. Tiger base will intervene. So I don't understand where all these social matters, all these family problem become the problem of police. I don't know. This one now, Ebubagi, they will say Ebubagi is not existing in Imo State. Why Ebubagi is there buying people everywhere? What is happening in Imo State? My people, I want to share this video.